Now this is a video about starting a YouTube channel tips. Now these are tips on how to start a YouTube channel. But before we go any further, I want you to go ahead and subscribe there if you are new to this channel, because I usually upload stuff. I usually upload interesting videos and tips on YouTube, about how to make money on YouTube, and about how to generate an income on YouTube and online. So go ahead, if you need to see all that, touch the bell button next to the subscribe button also, to receive a notification or a message that I have uploaded something new on the internet, now on YouTube. So now, what are the tips that you need to follow when it comes to opening starting a YouTube account? Now, I've had several videos, many videos. I've been talking about, showing you how to start a YouTube channel. And if you have any questions and you want to see more of any kinds of YouTube related stuff, make sure that you put it there in the comment box so I can get back to you and make videos to answer your question. Now, what are the tips to follow when it comes to starting a YouTube channel? You want to start a YouTube channel and you want to start running it. Maybe you have it and it's up running, but what are the tips exactly to follow when it comes to start to a YouTube channel? After you start your YouTube channel, what should you do? How do you, first of all, you need to make sure that you've done these things in order to succeed on YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel needs someone who's passionate. You have to be passionate about YouTube. YouTube channel, it's not some don't look at it as an income. Many people go into YouTube simply because they've heard that YouTube monetizes, there's monetization, and you earn money, you get money from the ads but all that is good, all of that is good. But one thing you need to know about YouTube is YouTube never bring profits immediately. It never bring profits immediately. It takes time. It can take years. Okay, if you start your YouTube channel, I give you at least a year to 3 years before you start earning an income out of YouTube. Don't enter YouTube expecting to rely and depend on the money that you're going to earn from adverts and monetization. That money is so little, you're not going to make any money. People who make money out of YouTube are doing affiliate marketing. That is where money is. Affiliate marketing is when you go to a company, then you approach it, and it starts giving you products to promote. You start promoting for a company on your YouTube. But usually you also have to have a big subscriber count. Your subscriber base has to be huge. It has to be big. You need a big audience for that. Say for instance, for 1,000 views on your video, 1,000 views, who even get to watch, who don't skip the ads, they get to watch the ads to the end. They get to watch it to the end. You can make maybe $2 from 1,000 views who view your video. So there's no much money. The way you can make money on YouTube is when you do affiliate marketing, when you promote a product for a company and they give you commission. They give you a link, you put it in the description, then the link, you click on the link, then the link takes you straight. When they click on the link, on your link that you put in your description, then you get commission. They get to buy and shop, and you get commission off those products. So that's the way to make. There are other ways also to make money on YouTube, but monetization is one of them that won't bring in any money. It won't bring in any money. You have to be very patient. You need to build you might ask yourself, how do I start building that clientele, that subscriber base? How do I build that audience, that big audience? First, subscribers years ago used to be the main, but now not anymore. Subscribers, your video can go viral while you're having only 100 subscribers. And then even the ones with 1 million subscribers, it's only a quarter of those subscribers that get to even watch the videos. Not all of them get to watch your videos. So now, if you don't so much go ahead and start buying subscribers and buy views and go sub for sub and start irritating other people and go on people's YouTube accounts and dump the sub for sub link and tell them to go sub for sub. That won't be right. You will irritate other people. They will end up blocking you. It will even affect you. But now, if you do sub for sub, YouTube loves when naturally people join your YouTube. When they naturally join it, it has to come naturally. Don't do sub for sub. Say for instance, you're promoting a product, and your product you're promoting, you're sending people to go to the company around the corner to buy the product, or to go to a store to buy the product, or to go to maybe you're promoting electronics, you're promoting computers and speakers and all that. And then if it's in your town, and then you go ahead and ask for sub from people from India, then what is the point there? I don't see any point there, because people who are in India and in Korea and China, who are busy subbing for sub you just to get that subscriber count, they're not gonna go and buy the product. They won't come and buy the product which is around you, unless if they're buying, if you're affiliating on eBay, if you're affiliating on Amazon, then that's a different case. But if you're affiliating for the company around your city, around your area, maybe the bank, maybe the insurance company around you, then it's really useless to do that sub for sub thing. So also you need subscribers that will subscribe to you, wanting to subscribe to you, loving people who are into what you're doing, people who are into your niche. Say for instance, you're doing beauty product, you are into beauty and fitness, beauty and health. So now you first tell people to sub for sub. People will sub. Not all of those sub for subs are into the videos that you make, the content that you're producing. Not all of them are into that. Some of them are into music videos. Some of them are movie makers. In India, some of them are doing this or that. So now, most of them in Pakistan, they are into electronic, fixing cell phones and fixing gadgets. So now you get sub for sub, yet you are into beauty and fitness. Those subscribers will not watch your videos. They won't be interested in your videos. So you need an audience that is interested in what you do. That is why when you're promoting your YouTube channel, you need to join forums, you need to join Facebook groups, you need to join groups, WhatsApp groups that are into YouTube videos. And besides that, they are into that same niche. Go into beauty niches, go join beauty groups, go and join beauty forums where at least you can share your content. Then they get to watch it. And then after watching it, they even subscribe to you so they can get to see more. So sub for sub isn't really a good idea if you really want to grow your channel from the ground and you want to find favor with the algorithm. Now, more tips could be the way to optimize your channel. Your channel needs to be optimized. I'm busy with videos to show you on screen how to optimize your channel and how to optimize your videos. But now, first thing you do is if you're naming your channel. When you're naming your channel, you need to name your channel something that is searchable. Go and look for keywords. Do your keyword research before you even name your channel. If you can always change it. You can always change the name of the channel, but now you need to name it something that is searchable. If you're into beauty and fitness, name your channel Beauty and Fitness. If you're into DIY, name it something DIY. If you're into sport, name it something sport. Something that is searchable, something that your channel can be easily found on YouTube or on Google. So now, when you name it something that is not, when you give it your name, nobody searches for your name. Unless if your name is famous, like Denzel Washington, then that's another story. But if you your name is not famous and you're not searchable. No, nobody will find your channel. No one will find it. So name your channel. Well, that's one of the tips. Name your channel something that is searchable. Your videos should be optimized. Now, starting from the channel, before we even go to the videos, your channel has to be customized. Put in keywords. The channel, there are keywords, there are tags, channel tags. Go and put in channel tags. If you really have any questions and you want, there's something you want to know and find out, put a comment there in a comment box. Put it in a comment box. Put your question, dump it there in the comment box. Then I will reply to you. I'll make videos to explain to you deeply what optimizing a video, optimizing your channel means. So now, the other tip to grow a YouTube channel is playlists. Make playlists. Taking playlists are very good. Many people make videos, but they forget about playlists. Playlist is something that can grow your channel from the ground, just like this. Now, the playlists, how they work is you take videos of the same kind, videos that talk up anyway. Your whole channel has to be talking about the same thing. So the videos of the same kind, group them into playlists, at least 10 to 20 videos.